Today we're going to be making banana bread, chocolate banana bread. It's high in protein, it's 200 calories. So we're going to chuck everything pretty much in a blender to get it started. What's up, Sierra? So we're going to get 3 eggs, some cacao, 70 grams, 20 grams of chia. For the oats you're going to need 120 grams. For the yogurt we need 150 grams. 100 grams of just whey protein. I know, what's AC? Yeah. What do you reckon? Do you want some protein? Do you want some protein? So with this, just a teaspoon of the vanilla essence. From here, I know we need 330 grams of bananas. So I actually use pretty ripe bananas. Always keep in mind, like, you know, the riper the banana, the sweeter it is. Obviously it has a little less nutrients. This is a treat. It's still gonna be high in protein, which is great. Do you want a banana? Do you want a banana? Yeah? See, I'm just using this kind of baking Stevia Sweet stuff. So just some stevia here. So we're gonna go with 70 grams here. How's the banana? What do you reckon? Alright, we're on here. We'll blend this up. There we go. Alright. Oh, I also need to line this with baking paper. Sierra's flying pig. With that, Sierra's got a banana peel. Yep. So I just chuck it to the edges. This is what I'm doing, so that way it just doesn't really stick at all. Give this just a light spray, just with the oil, just so it kind of doesn't stick. From there, I know I need the baking powder. I need 3 teaspoons of that. I'm just gonna chuck that straight in to the mix. Put about 240 grams in there. I'm gonna put about another 90 grams and I'm gonna chop up and put it through it. And then kind of get that ready to rock. Obviously I'm not the master chef. Yep. Zooming up, guys. We'll chuck that in. Alright, I'm just gonna start to put it in. Alright. Chuck bananas through. You generally want to get all those chunks. More banana the better. Come on. Come on, do you want this? Do you want this? Yeah. Do you want this? Yum. Yummy. Alright, you guys sort that out. I'm gonna chuck it in the oven for about 30-35 minutes. I'll put it with a skewer, just check if it's, you're right. Check if it's cooked all the way through. If the skewer comes out clean, it's generally cooked, and I'll roll from there. Alright, it's a little bit less jiggly now, so we're looking a little better. Let's have a look, let's get it out. Definitely seems firmer. Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, so that's ready to rock. That's taken 40 minutes at 190 degrees. Give you an idea. That's kind of your slices. Looks pretty delish, yeah? Perfect. Nice size banana bread. Yo! Do you want a piece? Do you want some? Yeah? Okay. How is it, Sierra? Sierra, is it good? What do you reckon? Yeah? Must be pretty good.
Oh my god, Sierra, come here. Look at your face. Oh my god, look at your face.
Oh no.